urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County, Northern Summit County, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Streetsboro and moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ravenna, Streetsboro, Manaway, Kent, Garrettsville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Portage and Summit.
There's the watch.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Medina, Portage and Summit. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 478, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Medina, Portage and Summit. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 478 has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Medina, Portage, and Summit.